Hello learners, welcome back to our channel Proplex Labs. Today we are going to build a fun and interactive DIY project, a smart height measurement tool. This device measures the height of a person standing in front of it and displays the result in feet and inches on the serial monitor in real time. Before we begin, let's take a look at the components you will need. An Arduino UNO, an ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires, a 3D printed ultrasonic sensor mount, and a stable wall or stand setup. You can find all the electronic components in the Proplex Labs Young Innovators Kit. So let's get started. First, take the 3D printed ultrasonic mount and fix it at a height of approximately 6.5 feet from the ground. Make sure it is firmly attached to a wall or vertical stand so it does not move during measurements. Now, mount the ultrasonic sensor on the holder, ensuring it faces directly downward toward the ground. Proper alignment is very important for accurate height readings. Once the sensor is fixed, make sure the area below is clear so a person can stand directly under it. Now, place the Arduino UNO nearby and connect all components neatly. Let's move on to the connections. Connect the ultrasonic sensor. Ground to ground, VCC to 5V on Arduino, trigger to digital pin 9, echo to digital pin 10. Once everything is connected, double check all wiring carefully using the circuit diagram provided. Now, copy the code, open the Arduino IDE and paste it into the IDE. In the program, the ultrasonic sensor continuously measures the distance between the sensor and whatever is placed below it. Since the sensor is fixed at a known height of 6.5 feet, the Arduino subtracts the measured distance from the total height to calculate the person's actual height. The final result is then converted and displayed in feet and inches format (FT plus IN) on the serial monitor. So when a person stands under the sensor measures the distance, Arduino calculates height and displays output like height 5 feet 8 inches. Now connect your Arduino to the computer using a USB cable, select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE and upload the code. Once uploaded successfully, open the serial monitor and stand under the sensor. You will instantly see your height displayed in real time. This project is a great example of how ultrasonic sensors can be used for real-world measurement applications using simple calculations. You can also extend this project by adding a display module like an LCD or OLED screen so the height is shown directly on the device instead of a computer. Another upgrade is adding a voice output system using a speaker module so the device can announce the height loud. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Propellex Labs for more exciting DIY builds. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.